Steelseries is one of the most notable and oldest manufacturers that is concentrated on producing a variety of gaming peripherals and accessories, so regardless of which product you're using, the quality is always guaranteed. Today, I'm going to make an overview of their headset known as Arctis 7 that has multi-platform capabilities for equipping you with a high level of versatility regardless of which platform you intend to use it on. From a design perspective, the Arctis 7 is 8.5 inches in length, 1.86 inches in width, 7.75 inches in height and features a closed-back design for isolating you from the environment. The intention is to isolate you from the environment and keep your focus on your gameplay, which translates to an improved gaming experience. The backs of its ear cups are covered in a tactile rubber, while the headband is composed of an aluminum that is accompanied by a padded rubber which would prevent any fatigues even after prolonged usage. The headband is really well made because it will keep the headset attached to your head with a high level of stability, so you won't get distracted during your gameplay. The plastic hinge that holds the headset's frame will let you make 90-degree rotation from which you can choose your ideal position and maximize your comfort as much as possible. The oval ear pads are made of silky cloth, so when you wear the Arctis 7, both of the ear cups feel soft and won't cause any pain in the ear. This means that you can enjoy your gaming time and play for a long period of time. You shouldn't even worry if you're having your glasses on, because these headphones are really stable and comfortable, so they won't squeeze around and make your glasses fall. But everything has cons, and so does the Arctis 7. Even though the Velcro fastener lets you adjust the fit, the delivered bandwidth is not enough for larger heads, so that is the only remark I have about this model by now. Now, let's talk about the connectivities and the controls. The left ear cup houses a micro USB port that is used for charging with the headset and a 3.5mm audio jack for connecting with a game controller, phone or tablet. There is also a retractable microphone on the left ear cup that can bend enough to position itself in the front of your mouth, but I will talk more about the microphone when we reach the performance section of the video. The right ear cup holds a power button and the chat volume slider, so you can dial down a game's background music and focus yourself entirely on the multiplayer chat. There is one more advantage of the chat volume slider, and that is the ability to mute the toxic players from talking and screaming, so you can have a better gaming experience. I want also to mention that the on-ear chat mix dial works on your PC and Mac, so this would be the only disadvantage of this section since users of Xbox and PS are kinda left on their own. From performance and feature perspective, the Arctis 7 provides plenty of features that are there for maximizing your gaming experience as much as possible, and the most important thing is, of course, the sound. This model uses the TTS 7.1 surround sound technology for delivering the best possible lag-free 2.4 GHz audio quality that is paired with an auto-channel hopping technology for equipping you with a wireless range of up to 40 feet or 12 meters for those who prefer the metric system. The S1 speaker drives included are powerful enough to deliver you the most enjoyable and realistic experience that you've tasted before. Regardless if you're playing your favorite games or simply listen to your favorite tracks, the delivered sound will be accompanied by a detailed rhythm and with clearly defined voices. However, since this headset is meant for gaming, you won't hear a high level of bass, but instead, the mid-tones are pretty detailed and accurate. That's why I will leave the decision up to you whether the lack of bass is really a disadvantage. The treble is nearly perfect, so the articulation of vocals will sound rich and highly detailed. This is especially important during an intense gameplay where the sound of a typical gunshot will be very pronounced, so people who prefer a competitive play will love it. I would recommend you to use the SteelSeries Engine 3 software for personalizing your audio settings or the EQ and surround sound to be more precise. Depending on which games you intend to play, or let's take the Overwatch as an example, you can literally hear in details the footsteps of your enemies and respond quickly and adequately. So, you will always be a step ahead of your enemies and be that one player that is the hardest to eliminate. For those who are playing on consoles, I want to mention that you would have to sacrifice the surround sound options as I stated before, but either way, the sound and the mic's quality is really accurately defined and it's worth it. Your speech will be delivered with a high level of clarity thanks to its clear-cast microphone that uses a bidirectional design and a background noise cancellation technology. Steelseries has placed a bright LED on the tip of the mic which shines in red when it's muted and increases your intuitive experience because you will be informed about the condition, whether it's turned on or off. The communication is always a key in competitive games such as CSGO, PUBG, Overwatch and similar ones, so this mic will deliver your speech clearly and will not capture any ambient noise, so you can make plans with your teammates and win every round. In order to improve or adjust the microphone settings fully to fit your style, you can always take an advantage of the SteelSeries software. Just make sure that you're not doing too many adjustments during gameplay or voice calls, because that can mess it up. But that's not all. This model has also a long-lasting battery life that has many power-saving features that will help you have long hours of usage, while on the other side, they will ensure low latency for gaming, listening to your favorite tracks, or watching movies. The battery life can last around 24 hours on a single charge, which is insane and definitely one of the key points of this headset. Thanks to the included power-saving features, the Arctis 7 will turn off automatically if it's idle for more than 10 minutes, with an intention to preserve the battery as much as possible. It takes around 3.5 hours to fully charge again, and that's not much if we take its long battery life, so we can simply tell that this can be considered as a drawback. Overall, the SteelSeries Arctis 7 would be a perfect option if you're looking for a powerful headphone that has plenty of features and that will deliver you a gaming experience like you've never tasted before. The price is also not high because of this model justifies the price when seen from any perspective, so it's definitely worth it and I would recommend it to everyone. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you wanna find out the price and more information about the SteelSeries Arctis 7 headphones, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. And if you have any questions related to them, please leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you again for watching and I'll see you in the next video.